Hello everyone, welcome to my video on how to start with Google Earth Engine code editor. If you are logging in into Google Earth Engine code editor for the first time, you should be seeing a user interface like this in your web browser. So it's a welcome message from Google Earth Engine code editor. It is asking you if you want to take a tour of its features, click next or hit escape to exit. Um, let's take a tour. And the main panels are the left panel, the editor panel, right panel, UI root and search box. And now it will explain you what a left panel is. You can revisit this video and read this what is written here. But in short, the left panel has three tabs: scripts, docs, documents, and assets. The scripts will contain all the example scripts and your own scripts which you will be writing in future, and the documentation obviously will provide you a link towards all the documentation of different functions in Google Earth Engine. And the assets tab contains the list of assets you have uploaded to Earth Engine. So basically it means your own data which are uploaded into Google Earth Engine. So this is the code editor panel. The upper center panel is the text editor here where you will write the code. Um, Write and edit the code here and click the run button here to execute your script. Script saving and sharing are also available here. The save button, and here you can share the link of to your particular script and share it with others. You can also create a dataset imports by clicking on import buttons. Create a geometry imports by using geometry editing tools. So the geometry editor tools are here. Yeah, so there are options to import other data sets as well. So the imports will appear at the top of the editor here. The first lines will be all the data which you have imported. Let's go to the next important panel. So these links also explain different buttons available here: get link, save, run, reset, manage apps, settings. This is the right panel. The right panel also has three different tabs: inspector, console, and tasks. Use the inspector to examine coordinates, pixel values. So if you click on a pixel here in the map, it will show you all the details, also the metadata. The console holds output from print codes, charts, and errors. So whatever you run here, if there is an input which has to be printed, it will show in the console. Long running tasks are managed in the task tab. So there are more details available here. You can go to the documentation and see these details for yourself. At the bottom is the map. So this is the map window, UI root, user interface root, where your imagery analysis results are displayed. So all the images, all the maps as results to your code will be displayed here. The pull down in the upper right corner of the map lets you manage your image layers visualization properties. So there will be a layer manager here, which is not shown here, but after you run the script, there will be a layers manager if there is any add layers there. The upper left provides, here you will find the geometry editor. Let's go to the next panel. At the top is a data set search box. So this is a search box. So you can search here for map locations and for data sets available through Earth Engine. You can import the data directly into your scripts. So this is the basic layout of Google Earth Engine code editor.